Hey guys, it's Miss Cuban here. In this video, this lesson, it's how to find an equation from a table, but it's part 2. I feel like that I need to show you another example when it comes to difficult equations or equations that you normally do not see. The steps are still the same, okay? I have my x and I have my y on my table. My x is my input, my y is my output. My first step, I require you and I want you to always do is write your linear equation form. Okay? And that is y is equal to m times x plus b. Okay, and we need to solve for your slope and your y-intercept. And the first thing you do is you find your slope. So my m is equal to change in y over change in x. Okay, so my change in y, well, my y, okay, 2 to 3, I'm adding 1. 3 to 4, I'm adding 1. 4 to 5, I'm adding 1. So my change in y is 1. My x, well, 3 to 6 is plus 3. 6 to 9 is plus 3. 9 to 12 is plus 3. So my change in x is 3. So my slope is 1/3. Okay. My second step is to find what y. My second step is to find what y is when x is equal to 0. Okay, so that means I need to go back until I get x's into 0 on the table. Now I'm looking at my table and it does not show me 0 as my x. So I need to go backwards. Well, I know that if I go 3 minus 3 gives me 0. So I need to do the opposite. Well, 2 minus 1 gives me 1. Okay, so that means my y, when x is 0, my y is 1. So that means my y-intercept is equal to 1. And my last step is to plug in the variables into the equation. Okay, so I have y is equal to, my m is 1/3 times x plus 1. And that is my equation. So that's how you find an equation when it gets a little bit difficult. 1/3 is the same as saying 1 divided by 3 or x divided by 3. Okay? So when I multiply my fraction, I really am just dividing. Okay? I hope this helps you when you get to difficult problems and you understand this a little bit more so when you can find an equation with any different table you get. Have a good day, guys.